disappearing now. And Fabinho took Messi out, looked for it, aware that he's not going to get the return pass. So good value at this stage for 2-0. They've taken their chance, and Liverpool not get the better of Ter Stegen. They made a number of good saves in the second period. Messi, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Just when you think he's done everything, he comes up with something even more special to catch Alisson out and to make it 3-0.
Well, to beat Alisson from there, I've got to say, I mean, he smiles. It takes some doing, and perhaps only that fella could do it. I mean, if you wanted to go and place it in the corner, I don't think you could do a much better job than he did. How far out was he? 25, 27 yards. It's majestic from the best player in the world, from perhaps the best player we've ever seen. Wow, look at that.
Well, the fans are worshipping him, and you can understand why. He is a god of the game. The god of the game. And suddenly, thanks to Messi, 1-0 has become 3-0 for Barcelona.
You could see it in Klopp's expression. Sometimes you have to hold up your hands and say, we cannot compete with this player. There's nothing we can do.
Well, he was beaten to 600, wasn't he, by Cristiano Ronaldo recently. He's there now.